guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you a very good and nice recipe for a very hearty soup, which is Ukrainian Borscht, or in a very quick translation, a beetroot soup. It is absolutely amazing. It is very good tasting and it is just so filling. If you never tried any of the Eastern European soups, I definitely recommend to start from this one. Stay tuned and see how to make it.
To prepare the soup, we of course need a deep pan. We add a little bit of butter to the pan and we melt it on a low heat. Then we add diced onion and we just fry it on a very low heat, just so it is nice and tender. In the meantime, while the onion is getting softer, we can grate the rest of the vegetables. I'm using a coarse grater and I'm using food processor because it's just quicker. Then we add all the grated vegetables to the onion and we fry it for around 5 minutes on a low heat. Afterwards, we can add stock. I'm using chicken stock, but of course you can use any stock you want. Then I'm adding bay leaves, some allspice, salt and pepper. And then I just stir it and cover it with a lid. And then I will be cooking it for around 20 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. Then I can add 1 clove of garlic and drained butterbean and a little bit of the tomato concentrate. You can also use just raw tomatoes. And I cover it as well with a lid for another around 10 minutes. Afterwards, the soup is ready, you can serve it. This is my idea of how to serve it, with some sour cream and a little bit of dill on top. It really is a lovely, rich in taste and very filling soup that we usually serve this way in Poland. Thank you very much for watching this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any recipes in the future. Thank you for watching and see you next time.